Hey there, and welcome. Let's talk about something we all wish we had more of: time. I mean, think about it. How much time do we lose every single week to the chore that never, ever ends? Cleaning. Well, today, we're going to look at a local company that has a real solution to help you get that precious time back.
Yeah? Does this question hit a little too close to home? If you've ever just stared at your weekend to-do list and felt that wave of exhaustion just thinking about all the scrubbing, dusting, and mopping, then you are absolutely in the right place.
So what's the answer to this never-ending cycle? Well, for folks in the Henderson community, it just might be a local team called Red Apple Cleaning. Let's dig into what they're all about.
Now, this isn't some giant, faceless national chain. Red Apple Cleaning is locally owned and operated. What that means is they're literally your neighbors, and they're completely dedicated to getting amazing results for both homes and businesses right there in the Henderson area.
But what really sets a cleaning service apart from the pack? Well, for Red Apple, it's not just about the vacuums and sponges. It's about their mission, which, you'll see, goes way beyond just making a room look tidy.
Just take a look at their vision here. Their goal is to create healthier, happier communities. It's a bigger idea, right? It's about connecting a truly clean space with a better, healthier quality of life for everyone.
And here's how they make that big vision a reality for you. Their mission is to make the entire process completely effortless. They do that by being reliable, super flexible, and using eco-friendly methods. The result? You don't just get a clean home. You get your time back and some real peace of mind.
Okay, so a powerful mission is great, but how does that actually play out in your home? Let's pull back the curtain and look at the specific method they use to deliver on that promise every single time.
It all comes down to what they call the Red Apple method. It's a simple four-part process. First, they use advanced cleaning techniques, the right tools for the right job. They pair that with eco-friendly products, which is great because it's safe for your family, your pets, and the planet. All of this is done with a meticulous, almost obsessive attention to detail. And the whole thing is backed by a satisfaction guarantee.
Now, here's what's really cool. Each one of these points is a direct benefit for you. Because they're local, they get the needs of Henderson residents. They offer flexible scheduling that actually works around your life, not the other way around. The products they use give you peace of mind, and at the end of the day, making sure you're happy is their #1 priority.
Of course, not every cleaning job is the same, right? A quick tidy-up is totally different from a deep clean. So let's see how they tailored their solutions for pretty much any situation you can think of.
Yep, they cover the entire spectrum. Whether you need routine house cleaning to keep things fresh week after week, a really thorough deep clean for a total reset, or even those specialized move-in and move-out cleanings that can be so stressful, they've got you covered. And that goes for both homes and commercial spaces, too.
So, we come full circle, back to the one thing we can never make more of: time. See, choosing a service like this isn't really just about having a clean house. It's a bigger decision about how you want to spend your life.
And this slide just nails it, doesn't it? It's the trade-off. You can stick with the old way, where your weekends are eaten up by chores, or you can choose the Red Apple way and get that time back for the things that really matter, like your family, your hobbies, or maybe just relaxing.
You know, the crucial point is this: it's a partnership. You're not just hiring a service, you're bringing in a team that is genuinely invested in making your space healthier and happier. And that level of care, well, that's what makes all the difference.
So the real question isn't just, do you want a clean home? It's more like, what would you do with that extra time? When you think about their mission and their method, are you ready to find out what that difference feels like?
If the answer is yes, here's the number you'll need. It's 702-268-9941. Seriously, this could be your direct line to getting your weekends back.
So go ahead, give them a call. You can get a free consultation and a free quote. It's a super simple, totally no-risk first step toward a cleaner space and, more importantly, getting your valuable time back.